Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to dive into something truly extraordinary, a car that combines Italian craftsmanship, timeless design, and futuristic performance, the 2026 Ferrari Roma. This masterpiece is not just a car, it is a statement of elegance, power, and passion. Ferrari has always been about emotion, and the Roma has been one of the most beautiful modern Ferraris ever since it was first introduced, but the 2026 model takes things to an entirely new level. It refines the soul of Ferrari while embracing new technology, performance upgrades, and a sharper design philosophy that makes it stand out even more in today's world of luxury performance cars. The Ferrari Roma has always been described as a grand touring coupe that blends minimalism with elegance, and the new 2026 version continues that tradition but adds more aggressive touches. Ferrari designers have taken inspiration from the classic 1960s Ferraris, especially the 250 GT Lusso and the 365 GTB for Daytona, while giving it a modern twist. What makes the Roma unique compared to other Ferraris is that it is not overstyled or overloaded with aerodynamic elements. Instead, it looks clean, fluid, and elegant, almost like a sculpture in motion. In the 2026 version, the lines have become even sharper, the headlights slimmer, and the grille more integrated, making the car look even sleeker from every angle. Step inside the Roma and you are greeted with an interior that feels like a luxurious lounge. Ferrari has focused on making the driving experience not just about performance but also about comfort and sophistication. The cabin is wrapped in the finest Italian leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber, with cutting-edge digital screens that give the driver total control without overwhelming them. The cockpit layout is designed around both the driver and passenger. Ferrari calls it a dual cockpit design where each person has their own sense of space. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, and a new central touchscreen blends seamlessly with the minimal design, giving you access to navigation, performance settings, and infotainment features. The passenger even gets their own display where they can see speed, G-forces, and entertainment controls, which makes the experience more interactive. Now, when it comes to performance, Ferrari never disappoints. Under the hood of the 2026 Ferrari Roma sits a re-engineered 3.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, but this is not the same as the older version. Ferrari has tuned it to deliver even more power, now producing around 670 horsepower. With improved torque and throttle response, the car rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 3.2 seconds and reaches a top speed well over 200 miles per hour. Ferrari's engineers have also worked on making the engine sound even better. Despite modern emissions restrictions, the exhaust note has been tuned to give you that spine-tingling Ferrari roar that enthusiasts crave. Another key highlight is the advanced 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, which provides lightning-fast shifts and smoother performance compared to the previous generation. Ferrari has fine-tuned the gearbox so that it adapts to your driving style. Whether you are cruising on the highway or pushing the car to its limits on a track, it always feels responsive and connected. Driving dynamics are where Ferrari sets itself apart. The 2026 Roma comes with advanced suspension systems, active aerodynamics, and an improved version of Ferrari's side slip control technology. This means the car can predict and react to changes in grip, making it not only faster but also more stable and safer to drive. It gives you the feeling of being in total control without sacrificing comfort. In everyday driving, the Roma has always been a grand tourer, so Ferrari made sure that even though it is a high-performance machine, you can still enjoy it on long road trips with a level of refinement you would expect from a luxury car. Ferrari has also stepped into the future with hybrid assistance technology in the 2026 Roma. While it still relies heavily on its V8 power, Ferrari has integrated a mild hybrid system that improves efficiency, reduces emissions, and adds a small boost of torque when needed. This means you not only get better fuel economy but also instant acceleration when the electric system assists the engine. It is a step towards sustainability without sacrificing the Ferrari spirit. From the outside, the Roma 2026 looks more aggressive than its predecessor. The front end has a sharper nose with a redesigned grille and slimmer LED headlights. The rear is cleaner yet sportier with a new diffuser setup and quad exhaust tips that make it instantly recognizable as a Ferrari. The car sits on newly designed alloy wheels and offers a variety of color options, including some bold new shades that reflect Ferrari's modern design language. It is sleek, low, and elegant without being flashy, which makes it one of the most refined designs Ferrari has on the market today. Technology is another area where the new Roma shines. Ferrari has introduced its latest driver assistance systems while still keeping the focus on pure driving. Unlike some luxury brands, Ferrari avoids going fully autonomous. Instead, it gives you features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and advanced parking assistance, but always with the mindset that the driver is the center of the experience. The infotainment system has been upgraded with seamless smartphone integration, improved navigation, and even voice control features, so everything feels intuitive and modern. One of the most fascinating things about the 2026 Roma is how it balances tradition and innovation. On one hand, it has the soul of a classic Ferrari with its roaring V8 sculpted lines and driver-focused cockpit. On the other hand, it embraces the future with hybrid technology, digital interfaces, and advanced safety systems. This balance makes it appealing not only to long-time Ferrari enthusiasts but also to younger buyers who want cutting-edge technology along with timeless beauty. In terms of rivals, the Ferrari Roma competes with cars like the Aston Martin Vantage, the Porsche 911 Turbo, and the McLaren GT, but what makes the Roma stand out is its elegance. While the others focus heavily on performance or luxury, the Roma blends both in a way that feels effortless. It is not trying to be the loudest or the most extreme, it is trying to be the most beautiful and enjoyable to drive, and that is where Ferrari's magic lies. The 2026 Roma also comes with personalization options through Ferrari's tailor-made program. This allows owners to customize their car to the finest detail, whether it is unique paint colors, personalized stitching on the seats, or even custom materials. Ferrari makes sure each Roma can be as unique as its owner. This is one of the reasons why Ferrari ownership is considered such a special experience. It is not just about buying a car, it is about becoming part of a legacy. As we look into the future, Ferrari has made it clear that while electric cars are coming, the Roma will remain a bridge between the past and the future. It shows that Ferrari can still create cars that feel alive, that give you goosebumps every time you start the engine while still moving towards modern sustainability goals. The 2026 Roma is proof that performance, passion, and progress can exist together in one package. So if you are someone who appreciates timeless design, cutting-edge technology, and thrilling performance, the 2026 Ferrari Roma is a car that deserves your attention. It is more than just transportation, it is an emotional experience. Every time you sit behind the wheel, it reminds you why Ferrari is not just a car company but a symbol of excellence around the world.